Homemade insecticide for vegetable gardens. Insects will live in your vegetable garden and destroy your plants if you do not keep them away from your garden. You can save money by making your own homemade vegetable plant insecticide spray. An organic spray works just as well as a commercial spray, and it will keep away insects like aphids, spider mites and whiteflies. Preventing the insects from returning with a natural spray will keep your crops healthy. Things you'll need: 4 garlic cloves, 1 quart, water, blender, 1 teaspoon hot pepper sauce, bowl, strainer, cheesecloth, airtight container, 1 gallon water. Garden sprayer. Peel 4 cloves of garlic to remove the papery texture. Add 1 quart of water to a blender. Add the garlic and 1 teaspoon of hot pepper sauce. Mix the ingredients in the blender. Continue to pulse the ingredients until they appear evenly combined. Place a bowl under a strainer. Line the strainer with cheesecloth. Pour the mixture into the cheesecloth. Discard the materials in the cheesecloth. Pour the liquid into an airtight container. Add 1/4 cup of the liquid to 1 gallon of water and add it to your garden sprayer. Spray the vegetable plants weekly in the morning. Tips. Warnings. Instead of hot pepper sauce, you can puree 2 hot peppers or add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Wear gloves when handling garlic and hot peppers to prevent skin irritation.